top of my list was the fact that this 1,000-litre tank, which has been in 20 years with a grinder unit in, I think roughly 20 years, the water has never, ever degraded. Even on the rare occasion when the water runs out, there's been one drought about every 30 years. And you refill it, it's absolutely immaculate. There's a sort of sump at the bottom, but there's nothing scuzzy. It's absolutely immaculate. And that was first on my list because I didn't mention that before. Absolutely clean. And yeah, so whatever the technical words which you just explained to me, very potent, very powerful. And everybody else around there is firing yellow light at it and blue lights and putting it through systems and being investigated by the local council. I've just kept my mouth shut and have this immaculate water. I wouldn't dream of telling them. They'd be up there in the army, they would abseil down, shouting, no, it's grander, it's grander. But it is, it's quite wonderful. And I don't even tell people when they ask me about mine, I just sort of nod as if I've got what they've got. Because I'm afraid it is still contentious, particularly in the country and places where they traditionally like to put ultraviolet stuff and things like that. Excellent. And as for its softness, yes, it's immaculate. And I have one of those little chopping boards, and actually they're terribly powerful. And that's where the water filter sits, and the kettle, actually. That, you know, the electromagnetics of the kettle don't seem to bother it at all.